drži. So yeah guys, today riding with a friend with Beta, but I'm waiting and waiting for him. Oh. So yeah guys, I'm back on the bike, so it's good feeling to be back on the bike. So last ride I had a small crash, so my shoulder popped out, so about 15 days, 20 days with no bike, so but still it's going. So the tire is not the best, but let's try to climb this uphill. I'm having a company, so Beta 300 is coming now. So you see. I almost made it. Yeah. Almost 2 meters and no! Ah! Oh! Ne. Ja i Mirsac nikad ne pomažem. Tu kod nas nema. Yeah! Yes! Happy! It's so slippery with this shit tire. Let's go, boy! Let's go! Diži! Ne smiješ paliti. Daj ga vam. Brate! Ajde, požurite. Ugušite se, Beta. Ne smiješ je paliti. Ajde. U vidu filter boki. Otišlo je u mašinu malo vodi. Sačekaj sam. Kako to kad nije slušaš? Biće dobro ako nisi neće iskrivio. Kure se dobro. Nisi smio be. 20 sati. So guys, this happens when you swim with dirt bike and the water gets inside the engine. So this is the best way to get water outside. You need just few tools.
And hands. And hands, of course.
This is this energy.
If it's not going, don't do it, stop. Ah, this is going to be sketchy. Oj! Pa nisam ti rekao da ovo uradiš. Pa ukupao sam cijelog. Jes ti bezobrezan.